This YouTube channel makes over $10,000 every single month by uploading these kinds of videos. And the crazy part, you can create each video in just 5 minutes. First, let me show you how this video is actually made.
Let me ask you something. How many times have you said to yourself, "Tomorrow, I'll finally fix my routine"? You set the alarm for 5 a.m. You imagine yourself studying for hours, exercising, reading, maybe even cooking a healthy breakfast. But then, tomorrow comes, and what happens?
Then I'll show you step by step how you can create the same type of videos using just your smartphone. Step 1. Before creating the channel, we need a channel name. I open ChatGPT and paste this prompt, which you'll also find in the video description, along with my niche. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT suggests multiple channel name ideas. I like the first name the most, so I decide to use it for my channel. Then I ask ChatGPT to create a logo using that name. In just a few moments, ChatGPT generates a logo for us, and honestly, it looks really good. I save the logo to my phone. Step 2, I enter my YouTube channel name, then I set up the channel handle. After that, I select the logo I created for my channel. Here I paste my YouTube channel keywords. Then I select the country as the United States. After that, I choose the video language as English, United States. I also select the same language for the video title and description. Next, I choose the category as education. Finally, I click Save and Step 2 is complete. Step 3, for video ideas, I come to ChatGPT and enter my video idea prompt. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT generates multiple video ideas. As you can see, I like the first idea the most, so I select that video idea. Now come to ChatGPT. Here you need to paste a special prompt that you'll find in the video description. Just type it in and wait for a few moments. After that, ChatGPT will generate a complete video script for you. As you can see, ChatGPT writes the script very well, clear, structured, and ready to use. You can directly use this script for your video narration.
Usually filled with lectures, tutorials, or practical sessions. And honestly, this is the point where most students lose focus. They sit there, nod their heads, maybe write down a few things. But later, nothing really sticks. Here's the trick. Don't be a passive learner. Take notes in your own words.
Subscribe to our channel to learn more free AI tools like this one. Thanks for watching.